Yeah, I'll start. Evening. I've got a delivery here. Just got in. Let's see what it is. Oh, it's some new mats inside the door pockets. So like you get 4. So I will go and put them in a second. Just more mods. Never enough mods. I've been using my van as an actual van today, taking stuff over to the house. It needs a hoover out because it looks like a glitter bomb's exploded in it. I was transporting Christmas stuff today, and one of the Christmas rugs or something was just glitter everywhere. Right, let's go and get these fitted. I've also had some new cup holders today because Rach wants a double cup holder in the back. So
very demanding.
I'll go and put that in as well now. Get that fitted and hoover out the van. Right, let's go do it. Alright, that looks pretty neat. Let's do the other side. Yeah, pretty pleased with them because they actually like keep the two-tone in the door, so that's pretty good, and they'll hopefully just stop anything from rattling, because you're always on the lookout to stop rattles when you hear them. I got hold of these 2 drinking holders from Amazon. I mean, they don't exactly scream quality, but if they do the job, they do the job. Okay, so with the bed undone, it pulls through that gap, clears the cup holders, and now you've got one that you can use when the bed's up, and then when the bed's down there's 2 that Rach can use. Obviously the bottom one's got that little extra height as well, so in theory I think we've got a bottle in here. We'll be able to pop a bottle in there as well. Sorted. Double cup holder for the wife. Got some thermal blinds for the van. Just got these off Argos. I can't remember how much they were, 30-40 quid. The ones that you fit inside, so you can use them as a screen, and they come with a bag as well. Sucker ones, not the magnet type, but so I'll give them a go. So I'll just get them out now, have a go at fitting them, and then put them in the bag, store them under the front seat in the van. does come with these kind of like black suckers. Obviously the metallic side's the outside, and then the softer grey is the internal colour. So you'd basically put them through. You'd put them through like that. Right, just pull them through. Probably just going to leave those in actually. Set them all up and get them all pulled through. I don't think they'll come out. Once they're through, they won't come out, so they're not going to drop out, so that'll be quite good. Just to leave like that. VWT6 T5 thermal blind. So they're from Amazon. They went on surprisingly easy actually. They're not fully, I thought they would be a blackout blind as well, but they're not. As you can see, there's light penetrating through the material, but they're pretty good actually for the way that they actually stuck onto the window. Obviously here, at the minute I've got a dash cam, but I am wanting to change that because I want one with a reverse camera. So, but on the whole, yeah. They'll do the job. Might also get like a cover externally as well, but I say for now these will do the job. And I say there's a storage bag. They should allegedly fold down into that, and then I can store it underneath this seat. So let's do that now. Got 3 of these little cargo net holders, 12.5 by 20 something odd centimetres I think it is. I'm just going to put one of them next to the drink holder on the other unit there, and then I'll probably stick one up there under the plug and then one on the back door, just for convenience really, just to store things. So that's completely off now. Adhesive on the back as well. 4 screws, and then pop the fascia back on. Alright, that's secured with the 4 things adhesive tape. So it's thing, and then I'll just we'll just put the cap back on that. I'm just going to adhesive tape this one under here just to hold phones up, and literally rest it on the floor, just get it in the centre, and then that'll just be useful for charging. See if that sticks or not.
basically. Not storage then when I'm asleep. I got this Atlas soundbar. I saw someone advertise it on Dubdat Community. I think there was a voucher code and it was only about 23 quid, 20 quid. So I thought that'll do for the van. If I watch a film or whatever, we can plug it into the Fire, Amazon Fire, to just watch a film, etc. Just so that there's a bit louder sound. So I say I'll just get that unboxed and just stick that on one of the shelves in the van. With a USB extension, USB charger, and then a phono connector, jack to jack, and it's also got Bluetooth built in.